take 2 feeders into my production area, not me. Now I just PartX Duo and go. I really like this feeder. It's a new product come out from our friends at Industry Devices called the PartX Duo. It's got 2 zones which can be vibrated independently. It solves 2 real big problems. One could be that you've got a high throughput line, and the problem with flexible feeding is you always get to that point where there's no pickable product. So you're waiting for the hopper to replenish that stock. You then need to separate to be able to get your pick points. The PartX Duo overcomes that. You can have 1 part going into this, can be controlled from 2 hoppers. We can be vibrating and separating on side 1 whilst we're picking the stock that's already there on side 2. Once we've exhausted side 2, we flip straight over to side 1. We don't lose any cycle time. So it's great for those high throughput lines. But where I really see the benefit is for people that are looking to save a bit of money. Let's say I need to feed 2 parts, but once I've priced up 2 separate feeders, 2 separate hoppers, 2 separate cameras, maybe we'll get away with 1 robot, it starts to become expensive. The PartX Duo allows us to have 2 completely separate zones like we've got here with the central rib. We can feed part 1 in, feed part 2 in. These lock in place when we're vibrating the other side so that we don't mess up what we've already got. So if we've already separated part 1, we don't have to wait again to be able to separate it because we had to vibrate on part 2. It means that I've now got 1 feeder with my 2 parts, 2 hoppers, 1 camera, 1 robot. I've saved a bundle of money. It's got the same construction as the rest of the PartX range. We've got this lovely matte black anodized aluminium outside. We've got the same carbon fiber vibrating plates underneath the feed plates. This one's a little bit unique as it does come with a separate feeder, though not to rest on their laurels. I did hear that Industry Devices are already looking to try and integrate that into there to be able to make the whole thing a bit smaller. Runs off the 24 volts, the same as the rest of the range. We've got our Ethernet connection there. We can strobe our light from here. We can control top lights from here as well. And then we've got 1 multi-core cable that connects the 2 together. The other unique thing about it is it's the only one that requires an air supply. That's not for the vibrate, that's purely to lock it in place. So if you're looking to up your throughput on your production line, get rid of that waiting period, waiting for our flexible feeder to replenish, or if you're trying to feed multiple parts on 1 production line and keep those costs down, then give me a call. Let's talk about the PartX Duo.